Chargaff's rule states that in an organism, amount of adenine A is equal to that of thymine T, and the amount of guanine G is equal to that of cystone C. Phospholipids are esters of glycerol with two carboxylic acid residues and one phosphate group. Glycolysis is oxidation of glucose to pyruvate. Protein hemoglobin acts as an oxygen carrier in the blood. Hormone that helps in the conversion of glucose to glycogen is insulin. A sequence of how many nucleotides in messenger RNA makes a codon for an amino acid? Answer is 3. The cell membranes are mainly composed of phospholipids. Which functional group participates in the disulfide bond formation in proteins? Thiol. During the process of digestion, the proteins present in food materials are hydrolyzed to amino acids. The two enzymes involved in the process is pepsin and trypsin. The human body does not produce vitamins. Glucagon is a peptide hormone. Vitamin B is a water soluble vitamin. RNA and DNA are chiral molecules. The chirality is due to D sugar component. In DNA, the complementary bases are adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. Thyroxine hormone contains iodine. The segment of DNA which acts as the instrumental manual for the synthesis of the protein is gene. Plus minus sucrose does not exhibit the phenomenon of mutarotation. Fructose reduces Tollens reagent due to enolization of fructose followed by the conversion to aldehyde by base. Denaturation of proteins causes loss of secondary and tertiary structures of the protein. Denaturation leads to the conversion of double strand of DNA into single strand. A, E, AD, E are fat soluble vitamins, and vitamin B complex is water soluble vitamin. Less lactose is reducing sugar and does not exhibit mutarotation. Which one of the following sets of monosaccharides forms sucrose? The answer is alpha D glucopyranose and beta D fructofuranose. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes the disease beriberi. In DNA, the linkages between different nitrogenous bases are H bonding. Correct statement regarding RNA and DNA respectively is the sugar component in RNA is ribose and the sugar component in DNA is 2-deoxyribose. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Protein molecule, various amino acids are linked together by a peptide bond. The central dogma of molecular genetics states that the genetic information flows from DNA to RNA to proteins. Denaturation makes the proteins more active is a wrong statement. Due to denaturation of proteins, globules unfold and helix get uncoiled and protein loses its biological activity. The difference between amylose and amylopectin is amylopectin have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and amylose 1 to 6 alpha linkage. Glycine compounds can form a zwitterion. Alanine is a non-essential amino acid. Lysine is a basic amino acid. Sucrose of hydrolysis gives alpha D glucose plus beta D fructose.